So today we're going to go ahead and solve similar polygons. So in order to do this, we first want to make sure that you know how to determine if it is actually in fact similar. So these first two problems, I have two shapes that look similar, or a pair of shapes that look similar, but you've got to determine if they actually are in fact similar. And if they are, we're going to find the scale factor. I forgot to put this in the instruction, but we're going to do from the smaller to the big. And we're going to do that for homework as well. Okay, so small to big. So the way you're going to do it is you're just going to go ahead and take the scale factors of each side and see if they all match up. So if I do 15 to 20, and remember there's a little shortcut you can do. You can just do like 15 over 20 in your calculator. It's like do the fraction in your calculator, or you can just go ahead and find common factors. So both are divisible by 5. I almost said 4. By 5. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. 20 divided by 5 is 4. So divided by 5 for that. So that's number 1, first side. Okay. Now what we're trying to do, I shouldn't have circled that because it's not necessarily the answer. So now we're going to go ahead and do our next side. So I'll highlight the 30 is going to go with the 48. So I'm going to go ahead and do 30 to 48, and once again I'm going to find common factors of each of those. So I can divide both 30 and 48 by 6, and then I get 30 divided by 6 is 5, 48 divided by 6 is 8, and 5 and 8 don't have any common factors, so that's that one. At this point, you're going to notice that these, the two I highlighted, are not the same. Okay, so they're not the same, so they're not similar. So not equal, therefore it's not similar. Okay, so the only way they can be similar is if every single side matches up where the same ratio, you get the same scale factor every time. So let's go ahead and do this next one. So the first one I'll just start top to bottom. So 16 to 20. If I simplify 16 to 20, I get 4 to 5 because I can divide both of them by 4. Then I'll do 56 to 70. 56 and 70, you can divide both of those by let me think about this. 14 probably? 14, yeah. So both of them are divisible by 14. If you divide them by 14, you get 4 to 5. Then I will do the 28 to 35. So 28 to 35. Those are both divisible by 7. 28 divided by 7 is 4. 35 divided by 7 is 5. So it's 4 to 5. So far we're so good. You always just need to check the last one as well. So 20 and 25. So 20 to 25. Both of those are divisible by 5. And when you divide 20 by 5, you get 4. And 25 divided by 5 is 5. So they're all the same. In fact, that's your scale factor. So you already find it when you do this. And you're going to go ahead and say these are similar. Great.